was very excited to attend a university workshop because it was pretty beneficial for me.
I got the opportunity to interact with current students and gain valuable insights with their experiences and perspectives about the university.
Overall, a university workshop can help me provide guidance to which university to attend. It can also help me make decisions on which academic program I want to pursue in the future.
Urban International School, the milestone for the university success.